नमस्कार केबी क्रिएशन पंडा सर यूट्यूब चैनल को प्रीति भरा अभिनंदन। हेलो फ्रेंड्स, गॉड ब्लेस यू, थैंक यू। टुडे वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट डायरेक्ट एंड इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच. Grammar is important thing, we know in English language. Okay, then let us start the topic direct and indirect speech. There are two ways by which we may report or narrate what a speaker said. There are two ways by which we may report or narrate what a speaker said. Direct speech. In direct speech, the speaker's exact words are quoted. For example, David said, "I am trying for a job." Direct. David said, "I am trying for a job." Direct speech. Said the direct. Note the use of punctuation. The exact word of the speaker are put in inverted comma. There is a comma after the reporting verb said. The quoted words begin with a capital letter. Is not it? You see the screen. Then indirect speech. Indirect speech, only the substance of what the speaker said is given and not the exact words. Not the exact words. For example, David said that he was looking for a job. Note that the indirect speech is in the form of an ordinary speech and uses no special punctuation. Is not it? Yes. Rules for changing direct into indirect speech. If the reporting verb is in the past tense, the tense inside the quotation mark change into their corresponding past tense. Observe the change of this tense in the table given below. See the mobile screen. Direct speech and indirect speech. Table for you. Direct speech, simple present tense. He said, "I like books." Simple past tense re. Indirect speech, he said that he liked books. Present continuous tense, direct speech, she said, "I am working." Indirect speech, past continuous tense, she said that she was working. Direct speech, present perfect tense, they announced, "We have won." Indirect speech, past perfect tense, they announced that they had won. Direct speech, past tense, she exclaimed, "I drank for the first time." Indirect speech, past perfect tense, she exclaimed that she had drunk for the first time. Direct speech, past continuous tense, Ritu explained, "I was writing a novel at that time." indirect speech, past perfect continuous tense. Ritu explained that she had been writing a novel at that time. Isn't it? Past perfect tense, direct, she said, I had finished my drink. Past perfect tense, no change. She said that she had finished her drink. Finished her drink. Future tense, Rashi told me I will go to the book fair. Future conditional tense, Rashi told me that she would be going to the book fair. Isn't it? Change in modal verbs. While changing from active to passive, the modal observe the following changes. What changes? Listen to me. Change in modal verbs. Shall, will changes into would. May changes into might. Am, is, are, it changes into was, were. Can changes into could. Has, have changes into had. Isn't it? Then rule 2. If the reporting verb is in the present or future tense, the tense of the verb within the quotage observes no change in indirect speech. For example, Shalini says, I write a letter every day. It is direct. Shalini says that she writes a letter every day. It is indirect. Isn't it? Aruna will say, I cannot read the book. It is direct. Indirect. Aruna will say that she can't read the book. It is indirect. Then rule 3. If the speech to be converted is the form of a statement, the conjunction that is used after the reporting verb in the indirect speech. For example, Hema said, I am unwell, direct. Hema said that she was unwell. It is indirect. Then rule 4. The first and second person in the direct speech should become third person in the indirect speech. For example, he said, I watched a film, direct. He said that he had watched a film, indirect. Isn't it? She said to the audience, you are patient, direct. She said to the audience that they were patient, indirect. Then rule 5. If the person addressed to reports the speech, the second person in the direct becomes the first person in indirect. For example, my teacher said to me, you have done well in the paper. It is direct. My teacher said to me that I had done well in the paper, indirect. Isn't it? Then rule 6. Words expressing nearness in time and place are generally changed into words expressing distance. For example, she said, I will come here now. It is direct. She said that she would come there then. It is indirect. Then direct speech and indirect speech. Observe carefully the table.
given below for changes in time and place word. Observe carefully the table given below for changes in time and place words, direct and indirect speech. Look the screen. Now these, here, ago, thus, today, tomorrow, yesterday, last night, next week, last week. It is direct. Indirect, then, that, those, there, before, so, that, they, the next day, following day, etc. Now is direct, indirect, then, this, direct, that, indirect, these, direct, those, indirect, here, direct, there, indirect, ago, direct, before, indirect, today, direct, that day, indirect, yesterday, direct, the day before or the previous day, that is indirect. Next week, direct, indirect, the following week, last week, direct, indirect, the previous week. Then rule 7. When a question is reported in direct speech, the reporting verb is changed into asked, inquired, wanted to know, etc. For example, mother said, "Where are you going?" It is direct. Mother inquired where I was going. It is indirect. She said, "What is his problem?" It is direct. Indirect. She asked what his problem was. It is indirect. Isn't it? Then rule 8. If the question being reported is a yes or no answer type, then if or whether is used after the reporting verb. Yes no answer type, then if or whether is used the reporting verb. For example, he said, "Are you happy?" Direct. Indirect. He asked if I was happy. It is indirect. Then direct. She asked him, "Will you stay?" It is direct. She asked him whether he would stay. Indirect. Then rule 9. If a command is being reported, the reporting verb changes into told, ordered, commanded, etc. Rishi said to Preeti, Do as I say. Rishi said to Preeti, "Do as I say." Direct. Rishi ordered Preeti to do as he said. Indirect. Isn't it? It is very interesting for you. The police said to the thief, "Don't try to escape." It is direct. What is indirect? The police told the thief not to try to escape. It is indirect. Isn't it? Thanks. Thank you, children. Thanks you, friends. You like it. God bless you. Subscribe my YouTube channel KB Creation Panda Sir. Next, wait for video. Thank you.